Oh man, it has been a minute since I made a tutorial or even just a YouTube video itself. So there's been a huge announcement about RecRoom, and I thought it was very necessary to make a video and address the situation and a little workaround on how we can keep enjoying RecRoom itself after the shutdown. As somebody who used to play RecRoom a bunch back when it was in its prime, I've been playing for the game for 6 years. That is a very long time. Obviously, that's an entire 6 years. But it has been an official announcement. It is not April Fool's. That was 3 days ago. This is not fake. RecRoom is 100% shutting down. It's not fake. They've made it so you can, I think you can still purchase tokens, but you cannot buy RecRoom Plus anymore. Now, a lot of people thought this was fake, but here's the picture of the blog right here. Not fake at all. It's completely, it's kind of a sad story, but I think it's really worth reading, and I think it's necessary that you sit there and take a minute to read the entire thing if you support the RecRoom community or you just love playing the game. But there is a huge workaround on this after June 1st to still play RecRoom, play it multiplayer, completely functional and worked on by many developers and we'll just say smart people. So there is this, I guess you could call it a group called Radium. It's a Discord server. It's also like maybe a company, I'm not sure, but it is growing. They're growing really fast in their players and their members and stuff because they're sort of the only people who can get something like this running up right now. I know there are a few other ones, but they just aren't as good as Radium. Radium's like the top one. I think it's their Discord server name is Radium, but I've seen Radeon like is on the download links. But anyways, I'm going to be showing you guys today on how to install Radium on your Quest headset, Quest 2 and 3. I mean, I guess Quest 1 if you still have it. I think that might work on it. But it's very easy. It's very simple as long as you just listen. It's not that difficult. This is the Quest tutorial, the Meta Oculus tutorial. This is not the PC, VR, or iOS tutorial. I can make a PC tutorial for you guys if you really want. I'll gladly make one for you. Just let me know in the comments. I'll let you guys know what I think, and I'll probably make a tutorial. So first, in the link in description, you're going to go into their Discord server. Now, you have to request to join, so just fill out the little application or whatever, and you'll get let in about 5, 10, 20 minutes. I think mine took like 5 minutes. Not that long at all. Just wait a few minutes, wait around, do something else. Once you're in the server, you're going to head over to the How to Register section in the download category. And you're going to go to step 1, which is register your Radium account. Now you're going to go into the bot commands and you're going to type the /invite key command. I'm going to put it right here on the screen. Right here, somewhere on the screen. And you're going to run that. Once you get that, you're going to copy the key immediately. Just copy it. That's your key. Copy it down. You're going to then go back to the How to Register channel, back to step 1, and at the bottom, at that step 1, it's gonna tell you that you need to have your invite key and you need to register your account at the Epic Quest Live register thing. Once you're there, you're gonna put in your key. You're gonna paste your key in the first box, and you're just gonna fill out the rest of the info. You gotta put, your username, password, the month you were born. You can fake it, who cares. Then you're gonna check the little white box. It's like a verification box. You're gonna click register. Now if you're having any problems with registering, just go into the Discord, read the announcements, make sure everything's running good, go in the help channel. That helps a lot. There's really nice people in there that can help you out. Likewise, you're going to make your account. Once you register your account, you're then going to move on to step 2, which is join the Oculus organization. So what you have to do is you have to get accepted into like their servers or whatever. I think that's how it works. So you have to join their organization. So what you're going to do in the link in the description is you're going to go to the Meta Horizon. It's like an developer portal or something like that. And it's where you can manage invites and stuff. So you're going to go onto there. You're going to go back to Discord, and you're going to go back in the bot commands, and you're going to run the /verify Oculus command, also right here on the screen. Once you do that, it's going to say /verify-Oculus alias. After that, you're putting your Meta username you're putting the tag name, the @ symbol. When you click on your profile, when you go into your Oculus menu, meta menu, it's the little @ symbol, the small text. That is exactly what you're looking for. Now, once you put it in there, it's going to say you're invited to the Radium organization. Something along the lines of that. You're then going to refresh the tab of the developer meta thing, and you're going to see Radium. It's like the first thing that pops up. You're going to click on it, and you're going to click accept. If you're having any problems, just go into the, like I said, help channel or comment down below. I'll respond hopefully within 24 hours, an hour, 2 hours. Whenever I get the YouTube Studio notification, I'll let you guys know. After you do that, you're going to move on to step 3. And you're probably like, what is step 3? Well, I'm going to tell you. So, step 3 is downloading the build. So, to download the build, you're going to go onto this right here. The download. You're going to click the blue download thing in the how to register section in step 3. Once you do that and you go into the download section under download category in their Discord server, you're going to see Steam/PC, Oculus, and iOS. Now, there's going to be little download links in the top right of each of those boxes, but those haven't really been working lately. You can try them, but they've been having problems with the Google Drive. But people have been trying to download it too many times, so like Google Drive has a safety thing where you just can't do it. So you're going to scroll down to the very bottom in that channel, and you're going to click on the alternative download links, and you're going to click Oculus. Once you click that, you click continue to download. It is a completely safe download. It's going to instantly install. Now, what I forgot to say, and I previously should have mentioned, is you're doing all of this via the Meta Horizon web browser. Besides the registration, I recommend you do the registration on Safari or Chrome on your phone, laptop, etc. Not on the Meta Horizon web browser, because their web browser's crap and it doesn't work that well. So make sure you use your phone. But for the installation part, obviously you're using your headset. Once you download that zip, you're going to download the mobile VR station. I'll put it right there on the screen. Yeah, it's very easy to do, not complicated at all. But it is kind of complicated because things have changed since the new builds of mobile VR station. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do that right now. But let's recap to what we did. So we went to the how to register. We did step 1, 2, and 3. We made our invite key using the bot commands. We made our Radium account. We joined the Oculus organization, and we downloaded the build. So now I'm going to go over, transfer the video over to my Meta Quest. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this on the VR headset itself. Alrighty guys, we are now on the Meta headset, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly. I'm going to walk you guys a little bit back through the steps just for a second, just so we can get a better understanding. But as you can see, there's the game right there. That's not the actual Rec Room, that's the copy. As you can see, if we go into my unknown sources, we can see it's right there. It's called Radeon. But back to what I was saying. The first step we're going to do is go on the Discord server. This is just a little recap, by the way. It's not an entire tutorial. You're going on the Discord. Make sure to log in. But once you're in the Radeon Discord, as you can see, this is everything I had mentioned in Rec Room when I was recording. You have the step 1. Remember to go into the bot commands and write the invite key right there. Then you register right there. You take your invite key, paste it into the register because it asks for it. Then you gotta join the organization. So you go on that. Everything's linked in description. You go on the website, the Meta website, and you put I'm so confused. I'm just jibber jabbing right now. You go, and once you run the command and put your username, you get the invite. Make sure you refresh your developer page or whatever and click on it, accept invite, and then you're all good. Then you're going to go to the download page, and like I said, these don't work. They're usually broken because of the Google Drive problem I had mentioned earlier. So you're just gonna click right there, and as you can see, you're gonna do to continue to download. Now I already did this right there, Radium Oculus. I already did the download, but once you download it, you're good to go. So you're gonna go on to the Meta store, and you're gonna download the mobile VR station. Once you do that, go ahead and start it up. And when starting it up, make sure you allow mobile VR station to everything that comes up on the screen. Make sure you click on allow. So here it is. It's different than what the old one used to look like, but it's not that confusing. I'm going to show you guys right now. So what you're going to do is down here, you should see configuration wizard. You're going to go ahead and click on that. Once you click that, you're going to click show all options. Next, configure manage all files. And before you click anything, do not click anything. You're just going to click enable manage all files. And as you can see, I've already done this right here, but you need to turn that on and click done. Once you do that, click close right here. Now you're all good. So you're going to click open files all right here. And it's going to open up this. It might put you somewhere down here or something. You're going to click the very top, the little downloads button, and you should see Radium Oculus. You're going to run it. I'm not going to do it, but it's going to run through a whole process. Sorry guys for talking a little bit fast, but what you're going to do is you're going to click on that Radium thing. Just click once. It'll come up with this little pop-up. Do not click cancel. Just let it run through, and then it'll tell you you're done. Do not click open. Once it is done, you're going to go to unknown sources, and you're going to launch RecRoom. It should say right here, com.radion.recroom. Go ahead and launch it. Once you're in, I'm sure you're gonna be just as happy as me to just see this old RecRoom, and it's just so exciting. It's so cool. Now you can make a new profile, but I don't feel like doing this. But if you want, you can, or you can log in, put your login info. Everything's safe. I don't know what that does. Reset dorm room. Okay. Like I said, you can create an account if you want, but necessarily I'm not gonna do that. So you're gonna once you make your account, it should automatically load you in. But if you're reloading into the game and you've already made the account, then I don't even know why I'm explaining this. Because you've already made the account, you know what you're doing, you're playing the game. So you click new, make your account. Sorry for being super confusing again, guys. If it's your first time loading in Radium, it's gonna make you log in or create a new account. But if you're just loading back into the game, you just click your profile again. I don't know why I had to make that so confusing, but yeah. And you're going to load into RecRoom. And here we are. I guess I missed a box. Oh, wow, a dress. That's so cute. I'm so excited to wear my new dress, guys. Like, I'm so happy. But here we are. This is 2021 RecRoom. This is... It's awesome. I love it so much. Now this stuff's still being worked on, like the long loading screens and stuff. They've been working on it. It's just, it's a huge process, so it takes a minute, but everything's being worked on. Don't worry, guys. It's a pretty big work in progress. That's basically it, guys. Yeah, that's me right there. Am I so beautiful, guys? Thanks. But, this is right here. This is the old... Oh, God. Okay. This is the old watch. You have messages. You have, the store. You can't buy tokens right now, but you can earn them, I think. Yeah. But, this is just basically 2021 RecRoom. I've said that probably 1,000 times, so I know you don't really care. You can still play RecRoom even after the shutdown, which is super exciting to hear. It's the old screen. Wow. That's so cool. Oh, wow. Whoa. Apple Maps Kid? Oh, this looks great. Let's get the Apple Maps Kid, guys. Freak Apple Maps, bro. You can go to the rec center, but I'm not going to go because it's just so... It's so bad over there. It's just... It's just not... I don't want to go over there. It's too loud. I plan on making a lot more tutorials in the future and stuff. But you guys let me know if this was useful. If you get confused, like I said, go in the help section in the Discord server or go down in the comments and just let me know. I'll reply to you when I can get to that step. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and yeah, peace out. Pixelmlix is out. That's how you say it. It's Pixelmlix. It's not pickle or pick. I've heard a lot of different names. It's Pixelmlix. I'm out. See you guys.